This just did not happen.
Oh. What just happened? Oh. Yo, what? Are you kidding me right now?
Wait, don't.
Yo, are you kidding me?
Wait.
Oh, hell no. Are you kidding me?
You guys okay?
Oh my god.
You okay, Dad?
You alright? Look at Volvo.
No.
A tornado just destroyed our showroom. It's annihilated. Yes, go to the basement now.
There's no way this just happened right now.
So we can get the glass.
This just did not happen. Bro, look at the cars, bro. Nah.
Live. Dude, I saw my flash.
That just happened right now, bro. Yo, there's... no way.
I got a little dent in my car.